In this video we are going to understand how to find a factorial of a number. Let's say I give the number as 5 and press enter. So this is factorial of the number is 120. Now what this basically is, this is the logic used behind this repeat block that you are seeing. This is the logic that we have used to write this program. Simple logic says that whatever the number that we are having, let's say we have n as the number, I have given 5 in this case, so it is supposed to multiply all the predecessors of the number till it reaches 1. So that means I have n as 5, so it is supposed to multiply 5 with its predecessor and further multiply this result, like 5 fours are 20, then multiply with the predecessor of 4, that is with 3, so that goes 60. Then again further multiply this with the predecessor of 3, that is 2, that goes 120, and further multiply with its predecessor, that is 1, till the number is like greater than 0, till the number is greater than 0. So that means till 1 it has to reach, so this result is 120. So that goes like n factorial. We represent factorial with this exclamatory symbol also. This is called factorial of n. You can say it as factorial of n, like whatever the number is there. If I say n as 5, so 5 factorial can be written like this. So this is called factorial of 5. Likewise, if I say like 3 exclamatory mark, so this is like factorial of 3. This is like the representation of factorial. So what we have to do is, if I say 5 factorial, that means this means 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 till the number is greater than 0. If we multiply it by 0, then everything will become 0, so there is no use of calculating factorial. So this it becomes 120. So likewise, if I have something as like 3 factorial, so that means 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, sorry, multiply by 1. So in this case this will be like, the result will be 6. So this is how we calculate the factorial. Now here also, if you can see the logic, what we are doing is till the number is 1, like till the number is greater than 0, that many number of times what we are doing is multiply the result with the previous number, and we are simply decreasing the number by -1 every time. So this is the logic behind use that, and we are getting the factorial of the number. And if I execute it one more time for you, so we have already tried 5, which says factorial is 120. Let's say 3, and so you should get 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, that is 6.